Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm doing another item for Christmas. I'll give y'all a little story here before I start cooking. Christmas time in the country, we didn't eat turkey. We ate turkey for Thanksgiving, and that's pretty much it. Christmas time we had a hen, duck, and ham. That was the main meats that we had for Thanksgiving. For Christmas. And give y'all a little background. Y'all know I grew up on the farm in the country. And the difference we use the hen for, because after 4 years, maybe 5 years of keeping a chicken, the chicken is a bird before they had to lay eggs. A hen is a chicken that lay eggs. But after 3 or 4 years, sometimes 5 years, they stop laying eggs. So they're pretty much useless. So we'll harvest them and make dumplings out of them or dressing or whatever. And that's what we did with our laying hens that don't lay anymore. So that's what we ate for Christmas. Old steering hen, Mama used to call them. So she would bake them in the oven with the dressing. So I'm going to show you how to do a herb roasted hen. And I'm going to put mine with I'm going to do some nice root vegetables here. I'm going to do later on after I put the hen in the oven. And I'm going to cook them separately. I'm going to put them together. Nothing like a good herb roasted baked hen with some nice herb roasted vegetables. It's very healthy, number one, because the hen don't have a lot of fat on it because it's an old tough old tough chicken. And it's very healthy. So let me get started here. I got that little education out of the way. I know some people are going to complain, well, why he talk so much? First thing I'm going to do, before I do that, matter of fact, I'm going to put some onions and celery and carrots and herbs in the cavity. In fact, I'm going to put salt and pepper in here first. Let me do that first. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper here in the cavity. It seems like a lot, but it's not, y'all. Okay. Now, I'm going to put some celery in here, some carrots in here, some onions in here, and I'm going to throw some fresh herbs in here. I got some thyme, rosemary, put a little sage in there, give it a little Christmassy smell there. A little bit more in there, and the rest I'll put on the bottom of the pan. Okay, now, wash my hands here. Like I say, hen is just like I say, it's just like a chicken. It will take a little bit longer to cook, and good flavor, nice flavor. Okay, now I'm gonna put some oil on here. I'm not gonna use a lot of butter because it's not necessarily like a turkey. And I patted this down, y'all, to dry it off so the oil can stick. Move it around a little bit more. Alrighty. Now, wash my hands again here. I gotta put the seasoning on here. We're gonna season it. Very simple seasoning. We're gonna put on here, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna put my salt and be very liberal with the salt, y'all. Because and pepper, if you can. Some people can't eat a lot of salt, but you'll see when it gets out the oven how flavorful it is. I put cabbages on here. And I'm going to do my Steve shake because we didn't have no old school shake growing up. But I got to put some of this on here. Make it look nice. Now I'm going to flip it over. Do the same thing on the back. I should have did the back first, y'all. I'm doing things backwards. But it still is what it is. Still what it is, y'all. Make sure it's good and seasoned. Y'all see I got the wings tucked back there? Make sure it's really good and seasoned. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do, I got my roasting pot here. I'm going to switch this over. I'm going to put my vegetables here in the bottom of the pan here. Throw my vegetables on top of here. I got a rack in here. push these things up here. See if y'all can see what I'm doing. I guess y'all can, yeah. Y'all can see what I'm doing there. Okay. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay my bird right up on my rack. And I'm gonna cook this for about 30 minutes uncovered. Maybe, oh, I forgot one more thing, y'all. I gotta put my herb, can't be herb roasted chicken without my herbs on there, right? Can't be herb roasted chicken. I got chopped herbs here. Only thing I got here is rosemary, thyme, and parsley. When I do chopped herbs, that's what I put in there. The rosemary, thyme, and parsley. Make sure I got enough herbs. And I'm going to save some herbs from the vegetables too. Then I'm going to do here when I come back. Okay, see how pretty that is? Okay, now we're going to put it up. We got it all seasoned up, all oiled up. And I'm going to put a little oil in the, not oil, water in the bottom of the pan. Even though the chicken is going to, I keep saying chicken, but it's a chicken. It is a chicken family. So my hen doesn't dry out, even though some juices will start coming out of the chicken. And I'm gonna baste it, maybe baste it one time, but it's not like a turkey. It's gonna only take an hour. I'm gonna put it in the oven 350 degrees, about 30, maybe 40 minutes uncovered. And if it's getting where it's getting too dark, I'm gonna cover it up with my lid. So we're gonna put it in the oven. We'll be back in about 30, 45 minutes to show you how it looks. Matter of fact, we're gonna be back before then because all these vegetables I have here, I'm going to get them all chopped up, diced up, and presented. So I can get them on the pan and get them next to so they'll be ready at the same time. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. I got my hen in the oven. It's wrestling in there nicely, getting this nice sauna bath, sauna workout. Okay, now, I'm going to dip these vegetables. I'm going to show you what vegetables I got. Then I'm going to fabricate them. And we're going to come back. I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to put them in the oven. I got carrots I'm going to use. I have parsnips. Most of these are root vegetables. I got turnips, rutabagas. I love butternut squash roasted in the oven. There's nothing better than this. Nice sweet taste, and it'll go well with the other savory vegetables. And I like the sweetness of a red onion when it's roasted, herb roasted in the oven. So I got these 6 items that I'm going to fabricate right quick. Get them all cut up and prep, and we'll be right back to show you how I'm going to put them in the oven. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. We got all our vegetables fabricated here. So now I'm going to let these, I like to let my vegetables marinate by 30 minutes before I put them in the oven, which is perfect timing because the hen been in the oven about 20 minutes. So I'm going to let these marinate about, say about 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then cook. It takes about, in the oven, it takes about 30 minutes, half an hour to get them cooked. Okay, what I do, I'm going to mix them all together here in the bowl. All of them together, mixed together. Might look like a lot, but believe me, they're going to cook down later. Put all my herbs in here. Put some salt and pepper. That's all I put in here, salt and pepper, y'all. That's it. Believe me, it look like a lot, but it's not. This vegetable let off a lot of water. Then I put oil in here. Like I say, this is pretty healthy. A pretty healthy alternative to vegetables. Because like I say, all it is herbs, salt, and pepper, and a little oil to coat the vegetables to get the oil to get the herbs to coat on there. You got that nice, beautiful autumn color. Like I said, you want to coat them really, really good. Let them get all good and seasoned. Got the yellow with the butternut squash, the orange with the carrots. Got the little brownish yellow with the parsnips. You rutabaga, and then you got the white with the turnips, and then the purple with the onions. And that's it. Ready me a sheet pan. I'm gonna put it out on my sheet pan here. Spread them out nicely. Shit, I don't get off on you. Some of them like to run away. They don't like that heat. They know that heat about to hit them. Okay. Now I'm gonna let them sit here, y'all, a little bit. kind of marinate together. And then I'm going to put them in the oven, 350 degrees. I'll take about a half an hour with these here. And then I'm going to serve these with my hen. Going to have some good old school herb roasted hen with some herb roasted vegetables. Autumn vegetables, nice fall vegetable dish. And we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, the hen I took out the oven. I'm going to kind of baste it with a little of the juices that come off of it. I poured it in this bowl here. Kind of like I do my turkey. All it is the stock from there and the nice herbs from the renderings. And the vegetables I'm going to put, now I'm going to put my vegetables in the oven because this here hen got about a little half an hour or so to cook. And I want these to be ready at the same time. So we're going to put them back in the oven. The oven, like I said, the hen got another maybe 30, 45 minutes. And the vegetables also. I like them to be ready at the same time. So we're going to get them in the oven. And we'll be back when it's ready. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, my vegetables are ready. My hen still got about 15 more minutes to go on it. But look how pretty these vegetables are. Nice. I wish you actually could smell these. Nice and roasted in the oven. Nice caramelization on some of them here. That's what you want. And the longer they sit, the better they get. So I'm going to spread them out here. And they are perfectly cooked. The carrots, everything is perfectly cooked. Carrots, the butternut squash, the rutabaga, turnips, and the fresh herbs. It smells absolutely amazing in here, y'all. This is the only way to cook root vegetables. Number one, anytime you roast vegetables, you save all the natural nutrients in the vegetables. Nothing comes out. Nothing goes in the water. Like I say, I just tossed it in salt and pepper, little olive oil, fresh herbs. Always use fresh herbs. It's just like night and day, fresh herbs and dry herbs. It just totally changed the whole flavor. And that's it. And it's gonna pair so well with the herb roasted hen, with the roasted vegetables. That's a meal in itself there. So anyway, I'll be back when the hen gets ready. We'll plate this up and we'll give it a try. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. The hen is ready. This hen, like my mama told me, all hens are different, depending on how old they are. This hen was very, very old. It took over 2.5 hours to cook this. I've cooked some that take an hour and a half, another hour. I've also cooked some that took 3 hours. So every hen is different. I'm telling y'all maybe an hour, hour and a half, but that's just me saying a normal hen. The older the hen is, the longer it's going to take. But anyway, let's taste some of these nice veggies and the hen here. Like I said, I got my, let's see, let me find my, okay, a little tongs here. Just like cutting like cutting a turkey. Old tough hen, but man, this is good eating, y'all. Good eating, man. Look at that nice breast there. You want to carve it. Nice tender meat. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and juicy. But the thing is, these nice veggies, I put a little of the juice. You gotta have that drumstick. Juice of the veg from the turkey. I keep saying turkey. Now y'all got me saying turkey. From the hen. This is on. Let's try this out, y'all. So juicy. Very tender. And how tender the vegetables are, like butternut squash, carrot, rutabaga, turnip, parsnip, all perfectly cooked. Here's more of this hen, y'all. Pick it up with my finger. We family, pick it up with my finger. Tender that is. You got the breast. Breast cut just like a turkey. I'm gonna carve it just like a turkey, y'all. The hen. See? Nice and juicy. Oh my God. Oh this is Christmas, y'all. Definitely Christmas right here. And the thing is, you got the sweetness as the vegetables roast, especially the carrots and the turnips and rutabaga. You get the sweetness of them. That's undeniably good. Try this recipe, y'all. If you don't like hen, use chicken. You can also use Cornish game hen. Same exact recipe. You don't have to use hen like I got. You can use, like I say, game hen or regular chicken. But Christmas time in my growing up, duck, hen, and ham. The old hen been hanging around all year, haven't laid no eggs. Christmas time, your time to go. That's it. But anyway, I hope everybody have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I got more videos coming. Hold a second. I want to say something. You know, this year is different than most Christmases. We're not being with our family. We're always not as much of as a family. I get a lot of emails and messages from people just say it's only them at home and they enjoy watching my videos and it gives them some sense of comfort. One lady sent me a message, said she's been sick in bed all week and they get up and it was comforting just to watch my videos. She's been watching all my videos. I appreciate that. I appreciate that I feel blessed that I can honor, that I can make a difference in somebody's life out there that just don't cook. They just like enjoying watching me cook, and that 5, 10, 15, or 20-minute video, however long it is, makes a difference. Like I said, we're all family. I don't know each and every one of you personally, but I still consider every one of you part of my old school soul food family. So until next time, like I said, I wish everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Please continue to watch my channel. Please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day. Love all y'all. Merry Christmas.